We spent the last month and a half getting them ready to swim a swim meet. They learn all 4 strokes and they can be able to compete. So by the end of the month when we do it again, they at least have a format down. They know what's going on.
I learned how to improve my strokes, my breath count. I learned how I have some struggles in my form when I'm swimming that I didn't even know about, but I just figure out what I need to fix and improve on.
I've seen these kids start from just kind of being even scared to get in the water to fully jumping in. They started off using fins, like getting them to and from, and they've taken those off and they're doing lots of things. I mean, they've grown a ton in a short amount of time.
It's really fun, and I think I worked hard. I've improved a lot, and I think I did great.
I think it's great for them to kind of learn what really happens when you're on a swim team in like a less pressure way, and just kind of introducing them to it to see if that's something that they enjoy doing. So this is a great opportunity for them to get a feel for what it's like to be on a swim team.
It's not just 3rd grade water safety where they learn how to stay safe in the water. They learn competitive swimming, so you should join AISD. It's pretty fun.